Smart is coming out with an electric version of its dinky little fortwo. And to keep customers on the bleeding edge of technology, it's developing a number of apps so that you can use your smartphone in your Smart. Check this out.
We are sitting here in the Electric Drive Smart in Brooklyn, New York, and I want to show you a little bit about our new product, which is the Smart Drive Kit for the iPhone. So what this is kind of a head unit in an iPhone app, and we have this cradle and a kind of minimal hardware kit that connects the iPhone to the car. We've got a number of firsts here. I mean, this is really the first time you have an iPhone talking directly to a car and integrating in a way that's meant to be used by the driver while driving. You can see we've got this really bright, colorful user interface. We've done extensive work and testing to make sure that it's usable while driving. And we focus on kind of the four main feature groups. We've got our media, we've got telephone calling, we've got maps and local search, and some assistance features. And I just want to show you a couple of the coolest. Of course, we'll give you access to the content that's on your iPhone. You can browse by playlist, by artist, by album. Anyone who has an iPhone kind of knows how that works. But we also do internet radio, and this is something that's really, really cool. We've got access to streaming stations from around the world. We're sitting here in New York City and want to listen now to a station that's in southern Germany. We can then actually try to identify the song that's playing on the radio, and this would let us then hopefully figure out what it is, and eventually, if we want to, go ahead and buy it. And here's the song we just heard the end of right there, with Smooth Operator by Sade. If I want to go buy it, of course we don't do this while driving. I've got this purchase button, takes us straight to iTunes, and we can go get that music. Of course, we provide access to telephone calls. The kit includes a full Bluetooth hands-free kit, and here's a user interface that lets you, browse your phone book and make a phone call. Everyone wants to know about maps. So right now this is a low-cost application. We show maps of the car, or what's around the car. We let you, pan around, see what's around you. This is not a full navigation system, and we do that for cost reasons. This is a low-cost app, but navigation will be an additional cost upgrade available later this year. In the meantime, we let you search for things around you. So say I want to find a coffee shop around me. That's no problem. We're sitting here in Brooklyn, so it shouldn't be a problem. And we've got one 750 feet down the road. There it is. And we can see here's our car. Finally, this wouldn't be complete without kind of a nod to why we're here, which is the launch of the Smart Electric Drive. We've got kind of a preview of what our electric drive feature for this app is going to be when it's released later this year. And here we have some information about where we're charging and what the vehicle is doing with charging. So we've got our current charge status and kind of this little interactive widget that lets us kind of predict when we can leave, to get the range we need, and what time that's going to be ready. So that's it. Pretty much, it's a full head unit in an iPhone app, and it really lets us do more than any traditional head unit could because of the the unique capabilities and the internet connection of the iPhone.
Let's see if apps like this do anything to help sales of smarts, which are pretty much going nowhere these days.
Introducing Bridgestone's third generation of run-flat tires with groundbreaking new Bridgestone technologies. Bridgestone run-flat tires offer improved ride comfort, lower rolling resistance, and improved wear while giving you the peace of mind and comfort you need.